Hey there! Today we are going to learn about the effects of infrastructure over the environment using this egg. I know it's exactly weird. Get it? Exactly weird. But keep on watching if you're interested. Man, what a bad joke. So the concept goes like this. It's very simple. So let's take an egg. So I can decide if I want sunny side up scrambled eggs, but for this video we're gonna go for the scrambled eggs. So I got my pan. We have our egg. Let's break it. Give it some whisk. I think we're ready to cook. Okay guys, this video is not about me showing off my cooking skills. It's about the steps and the process that needs to be taken to accomplish a thing. Now, this can be anything. Learning a new skill, it can be building a project, it can be processing all of those things have to go through a process to be done correctly. Okay, so the most common issue I found in the topic of field effects is that humans have shown little interest on some of the ecological issues we've had in the past and now. And I think this cooking show really demonstrates the more steps you take, the harder it gets to come back. And the more expensive it gets. You need your pan, you need a wooden spoon, you need your bowl, you need all of these materials to get to your finished product. In the context of infrastructure, such as dams, highways, and roads, they have been really costly, but yet really helpful from getting us from point A to point B, delivering goods from country to country, and getting the things that we need, etc, etc, etc. Now, this is the drawing phase. I call it a drawing phase because this is where you can still change your mind about the project. This is where you can still change the direction of a decision you're about to make. Now, it doesn't cost anything, yet it can have a very powerful impact on what's gonna happen in the end. For example, some of the infrastructures out there are collapsing due to a lack of attention, due to a lack of hiring the right professional to engineer all of these infrastructures, such as your dams, highways, roads, etc, etc. Once you are in the middle of the phase, it gets really hard and costly to go back and uncook this egg. Let's relate all of the bridges, the dams, the highways that are on the brink of collapse. You see, it gets really tough to put it back to its original shape. And that is life-threatening to animals, to humans, and to the environment itself. For example, there are a lot of deaths caused by the many crumbling water systems in the world. Our roads, fences, and highways have often blocked animals to find resources, water, food to survive. When we go back to the drawing phase, it's really important that we look at each and every angle when building, renovating, removing an infrastructure. The small details really matter. From having the right funding, from having a very meticulous maintenance plan, but not the least, is to make sure that when we are in the middle of the phase, we guide those engineers, we guide those construction companies to properly inspect those infrastructures. It's in the middle of the phase where we guide those engineers, we guide those construction workers, and everyone involved to build a long-lasting infrastructures that are best for everyone. This is just a very simple setup on how things can get really costly if we don't think of all the steps. The earlier we spot the mistake, the better it is for everyone. The earlier we find any threats to humanity, the better it is for us to have a higher quality of life. The feral effects can be really positive if we are intentional with our actions. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. See you later.